This is Journey in the Night left hand. We start with a low D and I cross the 2 off and I put a 5. We go up to octave up to bass D. This is C sharp, B flat, and then we put our thumb under here to make the scale going down, back up to D, do the scale going down, 5, 3, 1, and then we have to move up to F here and do 5, 3, 1, except on this one we have to make sure that this one is D. So we kind of have to have a different position than this one. Our 3 is right where it should be on G sharp, or at least it's close to G sharp. Or maybe we have to move, we'll see. 3 on G sharp, doing this weird scale going down. We gotta make sure that we sharp the G, and this would be a 2. Then we do that scale going down again, make sure that this is B flat here, and here we do the same thing, 5, 3, 1, 5, 3, 1, but this one is on F, and this one is D, thumb on A, and then 1 and 5 here. Let's see if we can play up to this point, just our left hand. Starting with low D and then stretching up an octave to bass D. Right here is where we do the 5, 3, 1, move up to F, 5, 3, and make sure we hit D. Then our 3 is on A, but we're just going to move it down a half step to G sharp. And then our thumb needs to go on A, 2 on G sharp, 3, 4. Here's our scale. Except I did that wrong. We have to go all the way up to middle D there. Ooh, let's write that on the music. Middle D. We're going to start that again right at the beginning. D now. Same scale going down. 5, 3, 1. 5 to F, 5, 3, 1 to D. Now we have to move our whole hand down. 1 on A. Still working on the left hand. We're gonna do a different section on page 2 just because it's almost exactly the same. And it starts on measure 17 right here with low D and moving up to bass D, doing our scale downward just like we were doing before. Same thing here. And then the section kind of ends here and we're gonna play this. This is low D, 5, 3, 1. Okay, low D. So we're gonna just play this part on the second page, starting with our low D, stretching up an octave. 5, 3, 1. Our 5 ends is already on D, and we just do 5, skip, skip, like that. And then the very last line of the second page, measure 25, is just like what we've been doing. starting with our low D, moving, but this time going to middle D here, and just slightly different ending. This is 5 and 1, and same thing right there. This is what it looks like at the end. Here we go, playing that last line. Low D, this time all the way up to middle D. And then right where our pinky was, we had to put our thumb.